offering help.
Hey, do you need a hand with that?
Oh, yes, please. It's pretty heavy.
No problem. Let me get the door for you.
Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.
Where should I put it?
Just over there by the desk is perfect.
There you go. All set.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks again.
Anytime. Just give me a shout if you need more help.
I will. Have a good one. Asking for help. Excuse me, Keanu, could you help me for a second?
Sure, what's up?
I can't figure out how this new coffee maker works.
Oh, it's tricky. Here, let me show you.
That would be great. I'm totally lost.
First, you press this button here, see?
Ah, okay. I was missing that step.
Then just select your size. Easy, right?
Much easier now. Thank you for your help.
No worries. Enjoy your coffee.
Borrowing things.
Hey, lovely, is it okay if I borrow your phone charger?
Of course, mine's a USB-C, right?
Yeah, that's the one. My battery's almost dead.
No problem.
Thanks a lot. I'll give it back in an hour.
Take your time. Just don't forget.
I won't, I promise.
Cool. It's on the kitchen counter when you need it. Asking for location. Sorry to bother you. Do you know where Book Nook is?
The bookstore? Yeah, I was just there.
Perfect. I've been walking in circles.
Go straight down this hallway.
Straight ahead. Got it.
Then turn left at the big fountain. You can't miss it.
Left at the fountain. And it's right there?
Yep, it'll be on your right-hand side.
Awesome. Thanks for the directions. Asking for repetition.
The party is at 742 Maple Drive.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Sure, 742 Maple Drive.
742. I didn't catch the street name.
Maple Drive. M-A-P-L-E.
Maple Drive. And that's the house number?
Yes, 742.
Got it now. 742 Maple Drive. Thanks for being patient.
No problem. See you there.
Making small talk.
How's it going, lovely?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Did you have a nice weekend?
It was relaxing. Just stayed in and read. You?
Same. I watched a couple of movies.
Nice. Anything good?
One was great. The other was just okay.
Well, here's hoping this meeting is short.
I'll second that.
Describing an object. Hey, have you seen my water bottle?
Maybe. What does it look like?
It's stainless steel and kind of tall.
What color is it?
It's dark blue and it has a black lid.
Does it have any stickers on it?
Yes, one small white sticker with a mountain on it.
Oh, I did see it. It's on the windowsill in the kitchen.
That's it. Thank you. Talking about weather.
Whew, it's a scorcher today, isn't it?
Seriously, it must be over 95 degrees Fahrenheit.
I heard it might hit 100, and so humid, too.
I know, I'm already melting.
We really need some rain to cool things off.
The forecast said maybe a thunderstorm later.
I hope so. Stay cool out there.
You too, drink lots of water. Talking about plans. Do you have any plans for the long weekend?
I do. I'm driving up to the mountains with some friends.
That sounds fun. Are you camping?
Yeah, we found a great campsite by a lake.
Nice. I'm just going to visit my family.
That'll be good too. How far is the drive?
About 3 hours. Not too bad.
Well, have a great time.
Thanks, you too. Asking for permission.
Is it all right if I open this window? It's a little stuffy in here.
Go ahead, that's fine.
Do you mind if I open it all the way?
Not at all. Fresh air would be nice.
Great. Can I also adjust the blind a bit?
Sure, no problem. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is it okay if I leave it open when we leave?
Actually, could you close it when we go, just for security?
Absolutely. Will do.